Hello YouTubers, TurboDude555 here with a new PC build on its way for next year. It's going to be a long work in progress, but currently I have the Aerocool Striker X Air open case. This is like, I suppose what you'd call a gaming style case of what would normally be called a test bench, where you can whack your components in and out really easily, like these, hot swap drive bays, which is really quite handy. But what I'm mostly interested in is all the space for water cooling. As you can see, I got my motherboard in there, the Maximus 6. It's not very bright. I'm just going to pause and turn the light on my camera phone on. Okay, I can't turn it on mid-shot, so we'll just have to roll with what we've got. But yeah, there was a lot of people saying this case isn't very nice, but I think it's, well, funky. I mean, you've got all this room for moving about. Let's see, it's a Micro ATX motherboard, so I've got all this space for, like, me reservoirs and things when they go in. Because I'm probably going to have, like, an L shape going on here with the reservoirs. And I'll put that back in my big box of miscellaneous pieces. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick update on what's going on. A new water-cooled PC build. What else can I say? Components I'm going to be using. I'm going to be getting one of the new Haswell CPUs. Obviously I'll go for the i7 and get it with the K extension so I can overclock. Because I'm hoping, if I can still get one, is get a hold of one of these aquarium fridges, which you can use in PCs for overclocking with the right adapters on. So hopefully I'm going to maybe try and hit maybe 5.5 or 6 gigahertz, possibly. Depends what happens, guys, but it's going to be a long build. It's probably going to be about 5 months because, well, I'm poor. So it's going to be a bit by bit each month. But yeah, we'll put this lid back down. I think what I'm going to be doing is taking this whole panel and massive fan off, because as nice as it is, I'd rather have like a Perspex panel here, or acrylic, so you can see inside the computer. But just pan around so you can see the back of the case a little bit. See, there's already tubing holes cut there, and holes for hanging a water cooling system on the back there, but I probably won't be doing that, as I don't think I'll be using a radiator, because if I'm going to use the aquarium cooler, there won't be any need for the whole radiator and fan combination, because it'll be a straight up, pump, reservoir, and the cooler. It'll just work straight like that. No need for any noisy fans. I'll be able to have a completely fanless system, which will be nice. Hopefully. We'll see what happens. But I'll do another update later on. Anyway, thanks for watching. As always, subscribe, like the video if you liked it, or dislike it if you disliked it. But I hope you liked it.